This 2007 Winnebago Tour 36LD is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 36 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, microwave, refrigerator, stovetop burner, TV, LP detector, smoke detector, water heater, slide-out, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2007 Winnebago Tour 36LD is built on a Freightliner Evolution Chassis and is powered by a 350 HP Caterpillar or available 400 horsepower Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.